This is an advanced steel plant. Various steel wastes are being refined into a furnace of molten steel through a transfer furnace. The temperature of a furnace of molten steel is about 1600 degrees Celsius. Then through a series of processes, the molten steel is cast into steel pipes, steel plates, etc. The refining process is divided into LF and RH. The role of refining is to conduct secondary treatment on the molten steel produced by the converter to further improve the quality of the molten steel. After that, the molten steel will be cooled and cast. According to different specifications and standards, the required steel billets will be cast. Then enter the next process. Each process is very strict and quality inspection is carried out to ensure that the final steel meets the standards. The reason why the steel pipes and pipe fittings produced by Metleader are trusted by customers is that our steel is imported from domestic first-class steel mills to ensure that all raw materials meet customer requirements. After processing, it is guaranteed that the steel pipes or pipe fittings obtained by customers are all qualified. We welcome global partners to visit the factory to learn about the steel pipe manufacturing process. You can subscribe to us.